How's it, guys? Forward Train here. So Michael Saylor. Who's Michael Saylor? Michael Saylor is one of the investors and evangelists for Bitcoin at this moment. He promotes Bitcoin almost 24 hours a day. He's been on a lot of news channels and he talks about Bitcoin constantly. And interesting thing now is that Bitcoin has been on the decline for the last couple of hours, especially it's been a red Monday, so it's not been looking too good for Bitcoin. And Michael Saylor has actually put his money where his mouth is, and he's bought an additional amount of Bitcoin. His total profile now is about 105,000 Bitcoin at the moment, and I think his company MicroStrategy, well, he's created a subsidiary company called MicroStrategy also, but that company now owns, I think, the most Bitcoin. So what does this mean for Bitcoin at this moment? I think this is a very bullish sign for Bitcoin, because this actually shows that people like Michael Saylor actually walk the walk and don't just talk the talk. And I wouldn't be surprised if people like Cathie Woods and other big names like Jack Dorsey from Twitter would actually follow suit and buy the dip, because everyone always says buy the dip. Well, here is the dip, and buy the dip. And it's quite interesting. People always say that no, there's no face or no person associated with Bitcoin, but these are actually what you would deem the icons of Bitcoin. You know, Elon Musk was an icon of Bitcoin for a long time until he's a little bit full of grace, but Michael Saylor is a pretty pivotal person at this moment, and he is putting his balls on the table and buying Bitcoin at a time when the price is really low. So I think that's a really bullish sign, and it's a really good thing to do, and I think a lot of people should do the same. All right, guys, thank you. That's all I have to say for now. If you like this video and you find this information interesting, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.